can't take that. No, only God knows how far we'll go. You can't change that, you can't take that. No, written in the stars who we are. You can't change that, you can't take that. No, only God knows how far we'll go. You can't change that, you can't take that. From the life that I was living, you could tell I wasn't giving a fuck. Stealing out of stores just to save a buck. Then my life got struck. Started picking up some luck. Found a thug nigga that wanted more than a fuck. We saw eye to eye, couldn't understand it, but we tried to make the love last while the storm was going past. Steady smoking grass, trying to ease the pain. Tempers didn't cut it. We was headed for destruction till I felt the pain growing inside of me. It's gotta be a better way, better yet another day. Nevertheless, I went through stress and manifest the discretion and depression advised by my peers. They didn't understand that after all these years there were tears that I felt that I had to share. Cause without his love, but I was better off dead. Cause with no love, feels like I'm better off dead. Written in the stars who we are. You can't change that, you can't take that. No, only God knows how far we'll go. You can't change that, you can't take that. No. Change that, you can't take that. No, only God knows how far we'll go. You can't change that, you can't take that. I couldn't face the fact that I was soon to be a mother of a child by a man who couldn't see there was no other that I really cared to spend the rest of my life with, or that he didn't care really who I fuck with. The situation varied. Could you believe I wanted to marry? This nigga had me whipped, wrapped around his little finger. Anything he want, I would do anything just to keep his ass home. I never wanted to be alone till I had my shorty. Now love is real to the bone. Real to the bone. Had my shorty, now love is real to the bone. Yeah, that's my seed that I raise well indeed. Watch her prosper, bloom to a flower of gold. And now I got her, teaching her right from wrong to make her backbone strong. Never manipulated, player hated. She got eyes of gold and we both affiliated. I be the queen and she my princess. I manifest her through birth. I'm the one who put her on this earth, and for what it's worth, I never wish to take it back. Make promise to my seed, promises keep them intact. Raise her to be a queen, fulfilling her every dream. Make it seem life can be what you make it. Go about it the right way, baby girl. Don't let them take it. Don't let them take it. Go about it the right way, girl. Don't let them take it. Now to this day, I feel a little bit richer. The guy brought my shorty to complete the shattered picture. Change that, you can't take that. No, only God knows how far we'll go. You can't change that, you can't take that. No.